In this video, we'll show you how to change the batteries in the ADT Command Combination Smoke carbon monoxide detectors, specifically the SiXCOMBOA and SiXCOMBOVA models. These detectors are compatible with these panels and require 4 3-volt CR123A batteries, available for purchase on myadt.com. You'll know it's time to replace the batteries when you receive a low battery message on your system panel, touchscreen, or in your control app. Since both models share the same steps, we'll focus on one. Now, let's get started. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT Monitoring Center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system at your command panel or your touchscreen. To access the battery compartment, you'll first need to remove the Smoke CO detector from its mounted baseplate. Simply rotate the detector counterclockwise to detach it. Then lift it off. You may hear a tamper tone or see a message on the panel. Don't worry, this is normal. Now that you have access to the battery compartment, remove the used batteries. Wait 10 seconds. Then insert the new batteries. Make sure they're placed in the device correctly, with the positive ends pointing toward the plus signs inside the device. Pro tip: install all 4 batteries within 15 seconds to avoid a low battery warning. To remount, align the detector over the baseplate, press into place, and gently twist clockwise toward the lock symbol to secure it. To clear the tamper alert and stop the beeping, go to your command panel and enter the appropriate code for your panel. That's it! You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT Command Combination Smoke CO detector. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with us.